Hello, I've been asked to describe what is a knee replacement. I'm Bernard Kemker at Carolina Regional Orthopedics, and I'm more than happy to discuss what is a knee replacement today. A knee replacement is a type of orthopedic surgery that is for end-stage osteoarthritis or a couple other select versions of osteoarthritis to the knee joint. With a knee replacement, what we do is we make an incision on the front side over the kneecap, we move the kneecap aside, and we take a saw and we cut the arthritis off of the knee, like such. After the bones of the knee have nice, smooth surfaces, we then go through with some specialty parts and pieces and we put them into place. A piece of cobalt chrome will go down inside of the tibia, and that is this piece here. It is again made in New Jersey. I then take a piece of cobalt chrome. It caps the end of the femur, like so. This is the real piece here. A piece of plastic goes in between the two, and the knee joint goes back on top of itself. It will then rock back and forth. The plastic acts as the new slippery and smooth cartilage to help alleviate some of your stiffness, pain, and swelling. If you'd like to talk to me more about knee replacements, the alternatives, or if you just want to see and feel the actual knee replacements that are going to go inside your knee, I'd be more than happy to offer you an evaluation at Carolina Regional Orthopedics.